In this video, I would like to share with you a bit about sickle cell and malaria. Okay, we know that sickle cell is a condition caused by genetic mutation, which is a missense mutation. It is happen when GAG become GUG. Okay, instead of the glutamic acid, valine, the person have valine in the sequence. Okay, and then what happen next is they have the sickle cell. For sickle cell patient, the person won't have efficient oxygen transport in their blood, so they look anemic, they look sick, they look pale, and they always tired. Okay, this is because the shape of blood cell is abnormal. The blood cell, the shape is abnormal. The shape of sickle, berbentuk bulan sabit. Okay, what we can connect with malaria. Okay, malaria is infectious disease. Okay, it is caused by pathogen Plasmodium. Okay, Plasmodium, the one infected, if a person infected with Plasmodium, the Plasmodium will occupy the blood cell. Okay, the person get the mosquito bite. Okay, mosquito as a vector. The pathogen is Plasmodium. Plasmodium inside the mosquito, and then mosquito bite the person, and then the person will get the malaria. Plasmodium can only multiply or survive in normal blood cell, the concave shape, berbentuk cembung. Okay, Plasmodium less survive in abnormal blood cell. So for sickle cell patient, for the person with sickle cell condition, the Plasmodium most likely won't survive in their system, in their blood system, due to the blood cell abnormality. The shape of blood cell is not normal. It is in the shape of sickle. Okay, so Plasmodium cannot cannot multiply, cannot actually survive inside the sickle blood cell. Okay, so the one with sickle cell most likely won't get malaria disease because the Plasmodium cannot survive well in their blood system. That is the connection or the things with sickle cell and the malaria. Okay, in the end, the one with sickle cell actually they won't get, or they are not likely to have malaria disease. Dia punya peluang untuk sesiapa yang ada penyakit sickle cell ini, penyakit selnya bulan sabit, the blood cell in the form of sickle, most likely they won't get the malaria disease. Okay, that's all. Thank you.